All right, this is the last one. How about an enraged woman shooting at workers in the drive-thru?
Cool.
I don't even know if I believe this story. This seems a bit too much. Apparently, apparently, she was coming through Burger King and felt that she was waiting too long to drive through to get the food. Got out of the car and had an argument at the window about the amount of time waiting. Escalated. Argument escalated. Goes to get the weapon from the car and then fires shots through the windows, sending the employees scurrying. Thankfully, no employees were hurt. And then the whole thing was captured on surveillance. So
why did you think it was fake?
Well, because at least the part of the story that's just like, oh, you were waiting too long for your food. Oh. Like maybe there was some other beef pre-existing or I don't know. I mean, everybody wants their food quickly, but
yeah. Hence the name fast food.
But that seems like a quite an intense escalation.
Right, yeah.
But I don't know. It's possible.
What would you do in that situation if you were...
Who am I in that situation?
You're the cashier, right beside the door.
Oh, my God.
Would you try to take her
No. You're not taking anything.
You throw a burger at her?
No, you're getting down, man. You're getting behind something and you're getting down.
Because she has to open her car door and you see her...
Well, do you though? I don't know.
And then,
do you think, because no one's expecting that, do you think you're...
I almost feel like there should be a lock on this door, right?
There might be. On the inside. She may have caught it when it was open because they were still serving customers, presumably in front of her, because she had to go back to her car to get the weapon. So I don't know. That thing is swinging open and closed every time some new customer comes. Yeah, you gotta get behind something and get down, and you gotta get those authorities on the way ASAP. What's interesting is you fire a couple shots. If you're this person, obviously you just want to scare them because you take off after that. You don't continue, whatever it is. But it's still madness. Obviously, no one signed up for this. That's not a typical Tuesday at a Burger King.
No,
I'll tell you what.